Welcome to Crafted Sweetly. I'm Diana. Thanks so much for being here. So you're probably wondering what's with the pile of tools and the book folding stand and this, all kinds of stuff here on my work table. What does all this mean? If you're in my Facebook group, I posted maybe a couple weeks ago that a big announcement was coming up. So this is the video kind of going through the news. Beginning of May marks 5 years since I started the YouTube channel, Crafted Sweetly. Initially it was going to be whatever crafts I felt like doing and just wanted to share with everybody else the things that I was coming up with and designs I was making, whether it was something with alcohol ink, whether it was book folding. I've done pretty much the whole gamut of, different kinds of crafts as far as tutorials. Lately, probably in the last couple of years, it has shifted and a lot of my videos have been about book folding and photo book art techniques. And it's just kind of the group of people that have been attracted to my channel, which is wonderful, and happy to share all the tips and tricks and everything for book folding. To mark this big anniversary for me, I decided to pretty much the entire month of April to give all kinds of prizes away. So every week there will be prizes given away. You have to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. Currently I'm at about 8,700 subscribers over that. So if I can hit 9,000, that would be awesome for the 5-year anniversary. So each week I'll be giving prizes away. Again, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so, as well as join my Facebook group. That's what I will be posting all the announcements for prizes given away and what you need to do to qualify for the prizes or to be entered into the drawings. These will all be random drawings. The good news is that this is open worldwide. So if you're across the pond from the US, wherever you are, I will ship these, whatever you win, across the country. Or I will ship the product wherever you are. So even if you're in Australia, feel free to enter. I plan on doing the drawings on Sunday evenings and then probably shipping sometime the following week the prizes out for that previous week. Again, it will be a lot of prizes every week. I will have these commemorative 180 guides. These are, depending on how I'm holding them, they look like they're like a deep orange. They're actually a very light, they're meant to be like a gold 180 guide. So these I'm giving away. These will not be available for sale. These I'm giving away just for prizes during April. And each week I'm going to give 5 of these away. 5 just for the 180 guides. I'm going to do some prizes for the 180 guide, which is this one. And for all of these tools, I do have videos on how to use them if you're not familiar on what to do with them. I'm not doing the 180 in white because I'm planning on doing the 180 in the gold. Again, it looks kind of like a deep orange, but depending on how I hold it at the light, it's more of a goldish kind of color. I'll be doing this one as a giveaway as well. This is the Vase and More, which is my most recent tool. I'm going to do the slider guide, which comes with the 45-degree attachment as well as just the attachment that you kind of slide back and forth. Again, videos for all these tools will be are already on my channel, and you've probably seen a lot of these. I will also be giving away a book folding stand with the 2 arms. I will be giving away monthly subscriptions to my photo book art app. So if you haven't tried it yet, I will give you, the prize will be 1 month free of using the photo book art app. If you're already a subscriber, for example, and you win that particular prize, you will get 1 month's free subscription. I will give patterns away from my Etsy shop. In addition to all the book folding tools, the various guides, the book folding stand, and of course the subscription and patterns from my Etsy shop, also have a couple of other prizes that will be included in the giveaways. And this first one is from Cloud and Berry. Zach is one of our members in the Facebook group, and he has whipped soap available in his Etsy shop. I have in my hand here one that's sour apple and one that is beach bum. And I'm telling you, these are just, they smell so amazing. And when you wash your hands, they have just this very silky, your hands will feel extremely soft and silky. And a little bit goes a very long way. So these are 4-ounce jars. So I'll have, what I'll do with these is I'm going to give you a gift certificate to the shop, so that way you can choose what fragrances you want from there directly versus me shipping it. It'll be shipped directly to you from his shop. So I'll include some of these in the prizes, and then the other thing will be Love and Smiles makes these pet portraits. This particular, they're made out of wool, so everything, if you've done wool felting, it takes quite a while to kind of, you're basically using individual fibers to create the features. And this is a portrait of Lily, my dog, and then on the screen there are some additional photos of portraits that she has done. So I'll include a portrait as a prize. And for that, I will need your pet photo, and then send it to me, and then the portrait will be mailed within a few weeks once it's completed. All these details will be on a weekly basis on my Facebook group. So be sure, you do have to subscribe there, obviously, to kind of get the details and find out when each prize is being done and what you need to do and what's being offered each week. But again, it'll be 5 of these guides, 5 of these gold guides every single week in April. So that's a lot of prizes going out every single week. So be sure, to check in, and hopefully you'll win one of these prizes. And this is open to everyone, anywhere on the globe. So I will ship it anywhere it goes. I know shipping gets expensive, but I wouldn't be where I am without all of you subscribing to my channel and your support, and engaging in my Facebook group and showing me that my videos are helpful to you. So thank you everyone for subscribing. Thank you for being part of this journey of my crafting. I love teaching people. I love showing others how to make all this art, whether it's book folding, whether it was alcohol ink. Last week I was engraving rocks as in one of the videos, but I've done decoupage. They're just, as all of us crafters know, we just love crafting, whatever it may be. And it may be something that you're interested in this month, and then next month you may find something else that's inspiring. And that's what I love about crafting. When you post in my Facebook group, you never know, you may inspire someone to start a new hobby, or you may discover something in my Facebook group. And what I love about my Facebook group is that everyone is so friendly. There's no judgment there. Everybody's just been wonderful. So join my Facebook group, win lots of prizes in April. I cannot wait to do all these drawings for everybody leading up to the 5-year anniversary at the beginning of May. And on the anniversary, I will have a grand prize drawing, probably including the stands, bunch of tools, some patterns, a book. So I'm gonna do a very big drawing for the grand prize drawing leading up, or not leading up, on May 4th for the actual 5-year anniversary. So lots of exciting things coming up. be sure to hit that subscribe button on the YouTube channel, and then join my Facebook group to be up to date on everything that's happening this coming up month. It will be, the first week will be in April, so nothing's happening in the next week here with March, but just wanted to kind of give you a heads up to head over to my Facebook group. I'll link it below in the description box so you can join the group and find out all the details. Thanks so much for watching. Sorry, no tutorial here, but lots of exciting announcements. So I will see you in my Facebook group. If you have any questions, of course, comment below, and of course, comment in my Facebook group, and we'll get you answered. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next actual tutorial project, which I've started, probably have up in about a week or so. Thank you, and I will see you.